Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is jam-packed with all the motivation you guys need to get your day started. I am also super stoked because today's video is a collaboration with my friend Jess from over on Jess Mess Vlogs. Jess is a mom of two and she is also pregnant with her third. Over on her channel, you guys can find DIYs, day in the life, clean with me, vlogs, and everything in between. Jess is so close to reaching a huge goal here on YouTube, 1,000 subscribers. Woo woo! So when you're done watching my video, why don't you head on over to Jess's channel and hit that subscribe button. I'll be sure to put the link to Jess's channel as well as our collaboration video in the description below. Alright, jumping right into today's video. If you guys are popping on by from Jess Mess Vlogs channel, welcome. My name is Kat. I'm a wife, mom of three, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada. If you guys enjoy cleaning and organizing content, this is the place to be. I would love for you guys to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join my family. Right now, I'm about to tackle my backyard, then I'm going to head on inside for an extreme power hour. I'm going to be tackling my girls' toy room as well as cleaning up my salon for an evening, getting everything sanitized, sterilized, clean, and ready to go for the next day. After that, I'm going to finish off this video by tidying up my kitchen and cleaning our powder room bathroom. If you guys are super stoked for today's video, give it a thumbs up and let's get cleaning.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I
everything, towels, capes, everything, guys, washed and sanitized. I wipe all surfaces down as well as sanitize my client taupe to prepare for the next day. My client taupe is just that, a clear bin. I put everything needed for their service in that bin. Their client card, their bowls needed, their brushes needed, towels, capes, scissors. Guys, I'm talking literally everything and anything that I will use on that specific client. It's actually been a pretty good system, and I think I'm going to continue it forever.
turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah.
I've mentioned this cleaner before in previous videos. This is a Scrubbing Bubbles spray-on foam cleaner that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I love it. It makes everything squeaky clean, and it is so fun to play in. You literally feel like a kid playing in a bunch of bubbles.
Here with you. Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. I love being stuck here with you. Here with you. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather than stay, make a new life with you. Must be fate, must be a sign. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. I love being stuck here with you.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out.
Well guys, that's a wrap. I really hope you enjoyed today's collaboration video. Don't forget to check out the description below and head on over to Jess Mess Vlogs channel and show her some love. Now that this place is clean, I've got to get these girls in bed and then I can sit back, relax, and enjoy my evening. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
You'll always be my nice guy.